now in the comments below, say, I believe in me. In the comments down below, I believe in me. The number one resolution that you should have is truly believing in yourself. I'm talking about a true in your heart belief that you are the best. Truly believe in yourself. Truly believe you are the best notary option for whoever you're marketing your business to. Because when you truly believe in yourself, I'm talking right here, you will not be bashful to tell anybody where you live that you are the best option for their notary opportunities. If I can get you to truly believe in yourself, marketing comes easy. The only reason you do not tell every single person where you live that you should be their notary is because you don't truly believe in yourself. When you truly believe right here that you are the person's best option, you have zero doubt that you should be telling someone that you should be their notary signing agent. And the only reason you don't is because you have imposter syndrome, because somewhere before today, somebody told you that you weren't good enough, because sometime before today, someone told you that you shouldn't believe in yourself. But that has to change. But no matter what I teach you in the loan signing system, if you do not go out and tell every single person that you're a notary, you're not going to make the $10,000 a month. You're not going to have the transformation that you want. So everything starts with you believing in you. If you do not tell everybody that you're notary public, you're not going to make the money that you want to make. So I believe the biggest resolution you need to make is really sitting with yourself and asking yourself, why don't you believe in yourself? Meaning, why are you hesitating to go to that open house? Why are you hesitating to go to a networking event? Why are you hesitating to go tell every single escrow officer where you live that you're the best option? Because when I was building my signing agent business, I told every single mortgage professional in San Diego County that I was their best option for notary opportunity, period. Not everybody hired me, but enough people hired me that I've been able to build a 7-figure-a-year signing service business out of San Diego, California, because I believed in myself here. So I need you to ask yourself, what is it truly holding me back from telling people I am their best option for being a notary public? Because that is what's going to make you so much money. I need you to believe in you this year. That is your number one resolution. There's going to be massive, massive opportunity for notary signing agents. Massive. But you have to believe in yourself enough to go out and tell everybody that you're amazing. Because I will teach you what to say. I will encourage you to go out. I will tell you everything, but I need you to believe in yourself enough. Like right here in your heart, that you are the best. Everybody before today, if they ever told you that you weren't good enough, that you're not great enough, that you don't deserve success, that you're not worthy, you're not good enough, that needs to go out the window. Because the only reason you're not telling people that you're a notary signing agent is because somewhere in here you don't believe you're the best. And that has to change because there's going to be so much business for you. But I don't want you just rooting on other people making $10,000 a month. Oh, saying, oh, I wish that was me making $8,000 a month. Because it will be you if you tell enough people that you're a notary signing agent. And the only reason you're not is because you don't believe in you. And I'm here to change that. I need you to change that. I believe in you.